The main aim of the programme was to ensure that the government of the country involved was able to ensure that it had the means to provide both military and government and the private sector with a way to ensure that their networks and information were secure.
The National Cyber Programme placed key emphasis on developing their own sovereign capability rather than just taking delivery of somebody else's clever silver boxes. This included updating the national security strategy, producing and delivering a national cybersecurity concept of operations, delivering a national security policy framework, and the delivery and deployment of security operations centres manned by computer emergency response teams.
As part of our work in trying to understand why the government needed an updated cybersecurity strategy, we arranged a number of workshops which involved attendees from across government and the private sector.
A variety of military and government networks were the focus of some cyber risk assessments. Initially, only 8 were planned, but due to the customer's concern, a 9th network was incorporated into the programme.
It's very heartening in these international projects where we see a customer whose confidence grows through the process, and they see us more as a friend at the end, and we have a relationship with them where we can start looking at further phases of work.